Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about something really important. A blueprint for the future you've always dreamed of. And I don't just mean for you, but for your entire family. A future that's built on a solid foundation of security and honestly, just peace of mind.
It all really begins with this one powerful idea that you have the power to create the future you want. And that's not just a nice saying, it's a belief. A belief that if you have the right plan in place, all those hopes and aspirations, they can absolutely become your reality. And for so many of us Filipinos, that future is built around one special concept, our pangarap, right? It's that deep, heartfelt dream we all have of giving our loved ones a secure, better life.
So what does that pangarap actually look like in real life? Well, it's that picture you have in your head of a comfortable retirement. It's knowing, for sure, that your kid's education is totally taken care of. It's being able to celebrate all those big moments in life without worrying about money. And of course, it's the pride of leaving behind a real legacy for the people you love. These are the things that really drive us.
But let's be real for a second. We all know that life is full of what-ifs. Those unexpected twists and turns that can pop up and challenge even the most perfect plans. That's why protecting your dream is every bit as important as building it in the first place. Which brings us to the big question, the one we all have to ask ourselves at some point. How do you make sure your family's pangarap is safe? How can you protect it from all those uncertainties, no matter what life throws your way? Well, the answer really comes down to having a solid blueprint for security. And that's exactly what we're digging into today, the AIA Plus Signature Plan. Think of it as a strategy designed to turn your family's dreams into a guaranteed reality. Okay, so what is this thing exactly? To put it simply, it's a life insurance plan that's all about one word, guaranteed. And that word is so important. We're talking guaranteed cash payouts, guaranteed life insurance, and a guaranteed benefit when the plan matures. This is all about reliability, something you can truly count on. All right, so how does it actually work? Let's break down the real, tangible benefits, the ones that act as the building blocks for that future you're looking to create. First up, let's talk about a big number that really stands out, 200%. This is your guaranteed life insurance coverage, and it's really the core promise of protection for your family. So 200%, what does it actually mean for your family? It's simple, but it's so powerful. It means that if the unthinkable happens, your loved ones receive double your plan's face amount. Honestly, it's more than just a number. It's the ultimate peace of mind, making sure your family can keep moving forward and their dreams stay right on track. But here's the thing. This plan isn't just about protecting against the unexpected. It's also designed to give you benefits while you're living your life. And that brings us to our next key number, 10% in guaranteed cash payouts. Just imagine getting cash payouts equal to 10% of your plan's face amount every single 2 years. What could you do with that? Maybe fund that family vacation you've been dreaming of, invest in a new hobby, or just boost your retirement savings. It's your life, your money, your choice. And this isn't some short-term fix. You should think of this plan as a lifelong partner in your financial journey. The AIA A Plus Signature Plan actually provides coverage all the way up to age 100. And that really highlights the amazing long-term reward of the plan. I mean, if you reach the incredible milestone of age 100, you receive a maturity benefit equal to 200% of your plan's face amount. That's a true celebration of a long, well-lived, and well-planned life. The whole journey is designed to be really straightforward. You start by choosing a payment term that fits your life and your budget. You can choose 5, 10, or 20 years. Then, you start getting those regular cash payouts, all while enjoying guaranteed protection all the way to age 100. Okay, so we've thrown around the term face amount a few times. So let's quickly break that down because it's super important. Think of the face amount like the foundation of a house. It's the core number that every single other benefit, your life insurance, your cash payouts, your final lump sum, is built on. It's the foundational number of your entire plan. And what's great is just how flexible this plan is. You could literally start building this secure future for a newborn child or for yourself all the way up to age 65. You just pick the payment schedule that makes the most sense for where you are in life. Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. Now let's talk about the most crucial part, the how. What's that first simple step you can take to make this secure future a reality? The most important thing to remember is this. It all begins with just a conversation. This isn't about pressure or some kind of hard sell. It's simply about talking through your pangarap, your dreams, and figuring out the best way to protect them. And getting started is simple. First, just take a moment to reflect on the future you really want to create and maybe jot down any questions you have. Then, it's time to connect with an AI life planner who can help you build your own personal blueprint for security. To get that conversation started and take your first step, you can reach out to an expert like Arjul Tiburcio. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Your dreams for your family, they're unique, they're powerful, and they are absolutely worth protecting. The only question left is, are you ready to put your signature on their future?